Disasters come without warning. In an instant, everything can be lost. Much of the time, they are unpredictable and unstoppable. Seattle is home to many disaster threats, and they don't discriminate. But some disasters are closer to home. Seattle fire departments respond to over 80,000 fires and emergencies each year, and they can leave the most vulnerable among us devastated with nowhere to turn. When disaster strikes, it can destroy hope, but it doesn't have to. With your help, we can provide resources to help families get back on their feet after a disaster. And most of all, we can provide hope. We must be guardians of our community. Let's watch over it together.